Hey there! In this video I would like to show you how to get a character from a string in Codesys. So in Codesys you don't have the data type character, so you need to work with the ASCII table. How we gonna get a character from a string? I'll show you in two functions. The first function, I will take the character from a string with reference, and in the second function I will do it with a pointer. Always use a reference and try not to use so much pointers in your code, because pointers can be very dangerous in a POC program. So let's get started. First, I will create a function. I'll call this function ref get char. This is a function, and I'll return an integer, so I can set an error if somebody is using the function in the wrong way. So you cannot overload functions in Codesys, so you have to name them in a different way. So now if I want to add the second function with a pointer, I cannot use this name, so I'll name it fptr get char. In this function we will return integer as well. So let's start with the reference. What I need in the first place, I need a character that I want to get, or the number of this character. So I will need integer is a number. Let's say it, let's make it a byte, because let's face it, we will write 255 is a string maximum. So this char num is a number. This will be from type byte, and then I will have I will need the reference to the string that I'm gonna read. That means ref str, and this will be from type reference to string. This string I will not change in my function. I will just read from this string. And in the second string I need reference to char. So this will be a reference to string, but with only one, with length of 1. So that's basically what I need. Now, because I will use one Codesys function. It's len. This is the length from the string. This function gives me from 0 to n-1 characters in the string, and I don't want to have it like this. I want to type 1 and get the first character. I will need an internal variable, so this will be just a byte variable char num. This will be just a buffer variable. So this buffer variable will just be this one minus -1. But let's make it an integer, so we don't have any errors. It's gonna be better that way. So yeah, this will be I, and and this will be I as well. So that's the first one. So now I want to check if the user is searching for a character in the whole string. So what I do, I will just check this one. If it's not equal to 0 or less, then I will not read from the string. Or if this character is bigger than the length of the string, so my reference -1, then I will not want to do anything with the character. I will set this one to 0, but because I have only one element, I just want to set the 0 element to 0, and I want to give back an error code. Let's say it like this, 1, and I will return because I don't want to do anything with the code. So in this case I don't want to do anything. But if everything is okay, if my wish character is in the string, so in the length of the string, then I want to give back this character. So that my reference to char with the length 1, so it's just one character, should get the string and the wished number in this character. So that's basically it. Now I will receive only one character from this string. Of course, you can do it with pointer to byte. Then you will get 1 byte, so 1 character, and you will get it in ASCII code. But this I will do in the second function. Now let me show you how this function works. So now I just need one string. Let's say it word. This will be from type string. I will need the char. This will be again from type string, but string from 1. And I will need the wish number, so n-char. Exactly, this will be from type int. So now call the function. Application. So that one goes here. That one will be here. This one is here. And I will want a result. So this is equal the function. So I'm passing the parameters by reference, so I can get the character. Let me start my POC on the computer and find the device. Now I can hit play and up we go. Now you see I want the 0 element from this word, and I receive an error code because I don't have a 0 element. Let's say A, B, C, D is my word, and as I said, I don't have the 0 element. I want to get now, I want to first, second, third. Let's say the third element. This will gave me error code 0, and I will receive the C. I will want the fourth element, I will receive a D. I will want the first element, I will receive an A. And I will want the 10th element, let's say it like this. You see, we will receive an error and we don't have any character. So that's basically how you can get a character from a string with a function with reference. That's basically what the function does. It's nothing too complicated, and we have some security in the function. Now let's try it with a pointer. The function will look the same way, let's say it like this, but with a pointer. So I will have n-char, that's the character that I want, again with a number. I will have a pointer to string, pointer to the word, let's say it like this, pointer word, and here I will have a pointer to the character. Both of them will be from type byte. And here we gonna get the address of the string where the word is, and we're gonna work this when the pointer is showing to the start address of the string, and we're gonna go with the address, we're gonna add address up, and we're gonna get the needed character or the position from the character that we would like. Of course, I want to have this safety like here, so I cannot do it like this. I will need to pass the string that I'm looking for as a pass by value, let's say it like this. So this will be from type string. And now I would like again not to start from the 0 element, so I can just do that again like this and use the same logic. That's it for now. So now it's very important to always check your pointers if they are correct. So here in the first place we will check the pointers if they are correct. So if it's 0 or the second pointer is equal to 0, then we want to return an error code, let's say 1, and we don't want to get forward with our function because we will take advantage of some space in the POC that we don't want to mess with. So exactly now what I will do, it's basically the same thing like here. So I will check the length of the string, but this time I will check this length because I'm passing the string by reference one time and by value the second time. So that's it, and here I will set my pointer to char back to 0, and I will return an error code, let's say like 2 or something like that. But if everything is okay, I will just work with the address from the word. So my pointer, this pointer is showing to the start address of the string. Now I would like to get the character in this position, in this number. So what I basically should do is just to get the address high enough for the character. So I will go to, in here I should add just the where is it? This one. So like this, and afterwards I should get the character with the position address like this. So that's here, that should be a long word. So I will convert this one like this, and that's basically the function. So let's try it. I will comment this one to use the same variables. I will come with the function with the pointer. So I need the character number that I would like. Now I have to work with the address. So let's type address. Here I should work with the address as well of the string. Like this. And of course, as I said, I should pass the string by value to the function, so I can have the length in the string like this. Okay. And of course I would like to see the result, if it's okay or not. So let's log in. Of course I don't have 10, so I received the error code 2. And now I would like to have the first element, so A. You see we have a 0 is an error, and we have the A is a character into the string. When we get pointer to byte in the function, I will make a breakpoint just to show you. So let's do it like here. So we basically, this pointer is getting the address of this string, the start address. So it's always in the first element of the string. Now here we say we want to get from the first address, just add to the address the first, second, third, or whatever number we added to the element. So now it's 0, so it's the first address. So we return the ASCII value. The ASCII value is 65 for an A, and this value will be written to a string, and when this ASCII value is written to a string 65, we receive the character A. So that's basically how it works. If I change the character to the, let's say, fourth element, like this, so now I will get to the breakpoint. You will see, because I'm doing -1 from 0 to 3 when we have 4 elements. So now here I'm adding to the start address 3, so I want to get the third element. And if we continue to debug, so you will see it's 68, and 68 means D. And that's how basically you can get a character from a string with reference or a pointer. But I would say you should always use a reference, because it's not so not so fed with errors. So thank you for watching, and if you have some questions, visit our website and contact us for more. Thank you.